Today, my topic is, do we know our Earth? Is life merely by chance? Do we have choices? Do we have a free will? Will we ever come to know about our own existence? One school of thought says the world is wide open to every possibility. The world is open to everyone who seeks answers to the mysteries of the earth and the universe. The other school of thought says that our technologies are not so advanced yet to understand the mysteries of the earth. What stops the world from moving into chaos? Our science says that the laws of thermodynamics applies to the world also. The entropy of the world order increases continuously. The world will gradually move towards disorder and chaos. But we see order and disorder existing together. We see society moving significantly towards order and then disorder and chaos. And the cycle repeats itself. Clearly, if the world were to be left on its own, it is expected to move towards chaos. But it does not appear to do so. We see things going back and forth towards normal and then disorder. The nature of creation is such that it defies reason. We are not able to decipher its secrets. Even with advancements in science, we have not been able to fathom the deep secrets of the earth. Scientists are still grappling with the mystery of creation, but they are just like a person trying to figure out an elephant blindfolded. The secrets of this universe remain shrouded in mystery. Time and again, scientists appear to have come closer to solving the mysteries of this earth and the universe, and then seem to lose track. It seems that we don't have an easy problem at all. With so many satellites going to space, and still questions are raised whether the earth is round or flat, whether the earth spins on its axis for the day and night to happen. The theories that have been put forth for round earth and spinning on its axis are under question. They cannot be physically verified, and they remain in the realm of logic. Doubts have been raised if man ever went to the moon. Doubts have been raised whether rockets can go into space at all. Doubts are raised whether the scientific theory given for eclipses of the sun and moon are correct. People have believed in the scientific explanations propounded mostly by the Western world and where most of our developments in science have taken place. The credibility of the scientific community and its institutions are at its lowest. Why is the scientific community keeping quiet? Why can't they put their minds together and silence the conspiracy theorists? Why not send a pilotless aircraft to circumnavigate the earth, north to south, flying over the Antarctic walls of ice, and send back real-time photos of the earth and silence the critics of globe earth theory? I have reason to believe that the scientific developments in ancient India was quite advanced. Our ancient texts, manuscripts, the Vedas, the Upanishads speak of our scientific advancements of the past. They describe our ability to fly in vimanas, teleportation, and technology of making nuclear weapons. We had made scientific advancements in astronomy, astrology, and Ayurveda, the science of medicines. Not many Indian universities give thought about studying our ancient texts. Probably we may find answers to our present day doubts. What stops us from studying our ancient texts and manuscripts? I assume that the study of the movement of the earth, sun, would have been understood by our ancestors also, as they were keen astronomers and studied the movement of stars and constellations. For some unknown reason, there was a discontinuity in the transfer of knowledge from one generation to another. I presume that a great war like the Mahabharata wiped out most of the civilization of the Indian subcontinent. Along with it, most of the knowledge of the past was lost. A few manuscripts that survived the golden era give us insights of how developed our science was. We have to revisit those texts and see if we can regain some of that knowledge, that hidden truth of the universe as understood by them. I do not understand why we have neglected Ayurveda, the science of medicine. The medication, the drugs of today are made of chemicals which are harmful and have side effects, whereas Ayurvedic drugs are organic in nature and have no side effects. We should not be totally dependent on the philosophies propounded by the Western world. We have to improve our scientific temper of our society. Our youth have to be motivated towards scientific inquiry rather than mindless materialism that we chase. We have to ask the why of things, the how of things, and the when of things, and bring back that past glory of our country. Thank you. If you have liked the video, please subscribe.